Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I'll give you another project which could give us high potential airdrop rewards. So I think you should join. The project is called Bytenova, which is AI project, and as you can see they have already secured 15 million funding and marked as a confirmed airdrop. But the best part is this project is backed by Nvidia, so this is great. If you visit their X handle, as you can see they have 71k followers at the time of making this video, and they are pretty active here with share all the updates, which is another positive sign for a project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. So you can join through both PC and mobile for this, and you see a page like this. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So first thing, you need to connect your wallet. So here I'll select MetaMask, then click connect. Again click on MetaMask and click approve. So you need to click once more on MetaMask and click confirm. So here we'll successfully logged in. Now here click the quest section. So here you can collect points by daily check-in, but keep in mind it requires a small amount of BNB fees, so make sure you have around $5 amount of BNB on your wallet so you can deposit BNB. So for that, open the MetaMask and select Binance Smart Chain. Here you can load or deposit BNB. So now click daily check-in. As you can see, it charges around 18 cents for check-in. Now click confirm. And done. So daily check-in is complete. Now click here, follow the X account, authorize app, and it's done. Similarly, connect Discord, authorize, and done. So one by one you need to complete them all, so you can share your referral link with friends to boost the earning. And that's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.